Hello friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss what is the distance traveled by one guy from one point to the another point. This is the question. So what is our main thing? So they are given that 1.5 meter tall guy is there. So this guy is watching top of the temple he is watching at the peak level of the temple. He is watching from one point at the angle of elevation is 30 degrees, and he want to come to closer to the temple. So he walked from this point to this point. So this is the, let's going to consider the point where A, B, C, this is the D. Let's going to consider E, F. So these are the points. So he stood at point A. So from point A at the angle of elevation 30 degrees, he is watching the point C. Then after that he came to point B at, again he is watching with the angle of 60 degrees. So the angle is increased from 30 to 60 degrees. Again he is watching the point C, temple point. So what is the height they are given? Temple height is from here to EC will be equal to 30 meters. And here it's going to make 1.5 meter, with that ED will be equal to 1.5 meter. Why? Because it's making one rectangle shape, opposite sides are equal to each other. So that is the case. So this length we got it. So we have to find what is the distance he traveled, that is AB distance. The AB distance, what are the conditions that are given? Temple height, height of the temple. So let's going to write height of the temple. So that is height of the temple will be equal to CE. So that will be equal to 30 meters. Then CE will be equal to 30 meters. Then what is the EF? AF will be equal to ED. AF will be equal to ED. That will be equal to, from this point to this point, what is the height? 1.5 meters. So 1.5 meters. Then what is the remaining length? So from this to this length, what is this? DC or CD will be equal to EC minus ED. EC minus ED. So from total length, if you subtract this length, will you get this length or not, CD length? Yes, we will get. So that one EC will be equal to 30 minus ED will be equal to 1.5. So we will get it as 1.5 means 28.5. 28.5 meters. So what is this? 28.5 meters. So as we know, this one is the condition. This is the point of D. This is the point of D. So let's going to consider this total length AD and BD. So we have to find what is the distance traveled from one point. So distance traveled by guy. So that boy. So traveled distance from one point to another point, travel distance from point A to B. So what is that distance? We can take it here is AD. So you can take AB will be equal to AD minus BD. AD minus BD. So this condition we are going to use it here. So AB will be equal to AD minus BD. If you subtract that one, then we will get. So we have to find what is the case here. What is the total AD and what is the BD length? What is the BD length? So first one, let's going to consider the opposite side. Let's going to take trigonometric ratios. So here opposite side is there, then adjacent side is there. So what is the opposite side here? So let's going to consider opposite side. Tan A. So tan A will be equal to opposite in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, tan A will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side here for in triangle ADC? DC or CD by AD. CD by AD, that implies tan A means A angle A will be equal to 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees will be equal to CD is equals to what? 28.5 by AD. 28.5 by AD. So that is tan 30 degrees will be equal to 1 by root 3 will be equal to 28.5 by AD. 28.5 by AD. Let's go into cross multiply. So AD root 3 AD will be equal to 28.5. Sorry, here AD into 1 into AD by root 3. So AD will be equal to, what is that, 28.5 root 3. 28.5 root 3. So that is the case here. So AD will be equal to 28.5 root 3. So that is the case. Next one. What is another one? In triangle BDC. So what is tan B? So this is angle B. Tan B will be equal to, opposite side is what? CD by, then adjacent side is what? BD. So tan B means tan 60 degrees will be equal to CD is equals to 28.5. 28.5. Then what is that? BD will be equal to, as it is. So tan 60 will be equal to, what is that? Root 3. So root 3 will be equal to 28.5 by BD. So BD will be equal to 28.5 by root 3. 28.5 by, so root 3. So what value we can get it here? So 28.5 BD, 28.5 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Can you do like this or not? Root 3 will going to cancel. Anyway, we will get same answer. 28.5 into root 3 by root 3 whole square. Square and square root will going to cancel. Then 28.5 by 3 into root 3. So 3 ones are 3, 9s are 27. Then again 1 will be there. 15.35s are 15. So what is the BD? So BD value will be equal to, BD will be equal to 9.5 root 3. 9.5 root 3. So this is the value. Then actual distance traveled. So travel distance from A to B. So distance AB will be equal to AD minus BD, as already told, AD minus BD. So AB is the distance traveled. What is AD here? 28.5 root 3 minus, what is that next one? BD is equals to what? That is 9.5 root 3. So here root 3 will take common. 28.5 minus 9.5. So we will get it as, what is this? Root 3 into 5 will going to cancel. 19. We will get it as 19 root 3. So 19 into 1.732. So what value we will get it as? So here 508 32.508, sorry 908, 32.908 meters. So what is AB? So required length, that is 32.908 meters. So this is the value. So this is the value 32.908, the distance traveled by this guy. So AB will be equal to 32.908. So this is the length, meters. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.